Hello, today we are going to train your English voice to use passive sentences. An active sentence is when the first subject is performing the verb. A passive sentence is when the first subject is affected by the verb. So have a look at the sentence structure of a present active sentence. Subject, verb, object. Now have a look at the sentence structure of a present passive sentence. We change the object to the subject. So here we have subject, be, past participle. So let's have a look at an example of this. Here we have a present active sentence. He sings a song. So we have the subject, the verb, and then the object. Here we have a present passive sentence. Now we are changing the object and making it the subject of the sentence. A song is sung by him. So a song is now the subject, is past participle. Let's have a look at one more example. Present active, I write a letter. Subject, verb, object. Present passive, we are taking the object and making it the subject. A letter is written by me. Okay, so here we have the subject is past participle. And that is how you change a present active sentence into a present passive sentence. Let's have a look at another example. The present active sentence, the girl is the subject, watches, the verb, TV, which is the object. Now let's change that sentence into the present passive. So we know that we take the object, which is the TV, and it becomes the subject of that sentence. So this sentence reads, TV is, past participle, watched by the girl. So this is present active sentences and how we change them into present passive sentences. Excellent job today. Well done. Goodbye.